Hi everyone! Our lesson for today is about Grade 7 Math, Quarter 3, Module 2, Relationships Among Geometric Figures. Sa nakaraang lesson natin, pinag-aralan natin ang angles at ang different kinds of angles. Now, we will discuss about different angle relationships form. Okay, so ang pag-aaralan natin kung ano yung mga relationships na magagawa ng ating mga angles. Okay, take note na lahat ng angle measurement stated here are approximated only. First is supplementary angles. So ano yung supplementary angles? When the sum of the measurement of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so kung meron kang dalawang angle tapos ang sukat nila is ang sum nila is 180 degree, ang tawag natin doon is supplementary angles. Meron tayong example dito. So, itong si angle GIL, ang kanyang sukat is 143 degree. While si angle DON, ang kanyang sukat is 37 degree. Angle GIL and angle DON are supplementary. Bakit? Kapag i-add natin ang 143 at 37, ang kanyang sum is 180 degree. So therefore, supplementary ang dalawang angle natin na nandito. Angle R and angle L are supplementary angles. Okay, so si angle R at L daw, supplementary angles sila. Solve for the measurement of angle R. Okay, so si angle R wala siyang measurement. Si angle L naman is 118 degree. Okay, so paano natin siya i-solve para malaman natin kung ano ang sukat ni angle R? Again, kapag sinabi mong supplementary, ang kanyang total ng kanyang sukat sa angle is 180 degree. So, ibig sabihin, si angle R at si angle L, kapag i-add natin, dapat ang kanilang sukat is 180 degree. Okay, so, measurement of angle R plus measurement of angle L is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so measurement of angle R plus, ano yung sukat ni angle L? 118 degree. Okay, so is equal to 180 degree. So, measurement of angle R is equal to, ilipat natin si 118 dito sa right side, so magiging negative siya. 118 degree is or minus 118. Nilipat natin si 118 sa right side, so naging negative siya. So, measurement of angle R is equal to 180 minus 118 is equal to 62 degree. Okay, so therefore, si angle R, ang kanyang sukat is 62 degree. So, ang sagot natin dito, therefore, the measurement of angle R is 62 degree. Kasi 62 degree plus 118 degree is equal to 180 degree. Let's go with complementary angle. When the sum of measurement of two angles is equal to 90. Okay, so kung si supplementary 180, si complementary naman, ang sum ng dalawang angle is 90 degree. Okay, may example tayo dito. Si angle A, ang kanyang sukat is 30 degree at si angle B, ang kanyang sukat is 60 degree. Kapag i-add natin si 30 at si 60, ang sum niya is 90 degree. So therefore, angle A and angle B are complementary angles. Angle D and angle E are complementary angles. Okay, so si angle D daw at si E, complementary sila. Ibig sabihin, ang total sa sukat ng kanilang angles is 90 degree. Solve for the measurement of angle E. Okay, so isolve natin ang measurement sa angle E. So, measurement of angle D plus measurement of angle E is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so measurement of angle D natin is 43 degree plus measurement of angle E is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, si 43 ilipat natin sa right side. So ang maiiwan is si measurement of angle E is equal to 90 degree minus 43 degree. Okay, so measurement of angle E is equal to 90 minus 43 is equal to 47 degree. So therefore, si angle E is, ang kanyang sukat is equal to 47 degree. Okay, so ito na yung sukat ni angle E. Isusulat lang natin dito ang sukat ni angle E, that is 47 degree. Next is congruent angles. O ano yung congruent angles? Two angles are congruent if they have the same angle measurements. Okay, so from the word congruent, ibig sabihin equal. So ibig sabihin pala, ang matatawag natin na congruent angles, ang dalawang angles kapag magkapareho ang kanilang sukat. Example, si angle T, ang kanyang sukat is 30 degree. Si angle V naman is 30 degree. So, ibig sabihin, si angle T at si angle V is congruent kasi magkapareho ang sukat ng kanilang angle. So, therefore, angle T and angle V are congruent angles. Okay, paano natin siya isulat? Ganito. Angle T is congruent to angle V. Okay? So, ito yung ginagamit natin na symbol kapag nagsasabi tayo ng congruent. Angle DLE and angle GSA are congruent angles. Solve for angle GSA. Okay? So, si angle DLE daw at si angle GSA ay magkapareho ang sukat. So, ang given natin, si angle DLE, ang kanyang sukat is 130 degree. So, therefore, angle DLE is congruent to angle GSA. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure ni angle DLA ay equal lang sa measure ni angle GSA. So, ano yung measure ni angle DLE? 130 degree. Okay? So, is equal to angle GSA. So, ibig sabihin, ang sukat ni angle GSA is 130 degree kasi same lang sila. Let's go with vertical angles. Are pair of two non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. Okay, so si vertical angles daw ay pair siya ng dalawang non-adjacent. Okay, hindi magkatabi, non-adjacent angles. So ibig sabihin hindi sila magkatabi, formed by two intersecting line. Okay, so ma-form siya kapag ang dalawang line is nag-intersect. Example, so meron tayong dalawang line dito na nag-intersect. Okay, so meron tayong angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, at angle 4. So ano ang ibig sabihin ng vertical angles? Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. So si 1 at si 3 daw is vertical angles kasi hindi sila magkatabi. Okay, non-adjacent sila na angle formed by two intersecting line. And then angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical angles. So si angle 2 naman at si angle 4 are vertical angles. Okay? So hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na si angle 1 at si angle 4 are vertical angles kasi dapat hindi sila magkatabi. At si angle 1 at 4 magkatabi sila kasi meron silang common side dito. So, ang ating vertical lang is si angle 1 at 3 at si angle 2 and 4. Hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin na si angle 3 at 2 is vertical angles. Okay? Take note na ang vertical angles are congruent. Kapag vertical angle sila, ibig sabihin pareho ang measurement ng kanilang angle. So, ibig sabihin si angle 1 at si 3, pareho ang sukat nila. At si angle 2 naman at si angle 4, pareho din ang sukat ng kanilang angles. Okay, so meron tayong example dito sa baba. Angle D, N, O, angle O, N, Z, angle Z, N, E, at angle E, N, D. Okay, meron tayong apat na angle. So, na-form natin ito sa pamamagitan ng pag-intersect ng dalawang line. So, ibig sabihin, itong dalawang angle natin na nandito are vertical angles at itong dalawang angle na nandito are vertical angles. And since vertical angles are congruent or equal ang kanilang sukat, so magkapareho ang sukat nila. So, angle DNO and angle ENZ are congruent. Okay, so ito si DNO at ito si ENZ. So, pareho 100 degree. And angle DNE and angle ONZ are congruent. Okay, so si angle DNE naman at si angle ONZ are congruent. Pareho ang kanilang sukat, 80 degree. Solve for angle X and angle Y. Okay, so ang given natin is a vertical angle. So mga vertical angles ito. So isolve natin ang sukat ni angle X at ni angle Y. Okay, so ang taas na angle natin, ang kanyang sukat is 120 degree. At ang nasa left side naman na angle is 60 degree. And since alam natin na these are vertical angles at alam natin na vertical angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, ang sukat ni angle X is pareho dito sa taas na angle. So, ang kanyang sukat is 120 degree. While si angle Y naman, pareho sa sukat dito sa left side na 60 degree. Okay? So, 60 degrees si angle Y. Adjacent angles are two angles that shares a common side and a common vertex. They do not overlap. Okay? So, kung ang vertical angle ang nag-share lang sa kanila isang vertex, si adjacent angles ang kanyang i-share is ang kanyang side. So, meron silang common side at meron silang common vertex. Pero, hindi sila nag-overlap. Okay? Example, meron tayong dalawang angle dito. Angle GIL at angle LIN. Okay, so ang kanilang common vertex is si angle si I, ang kanilang vertex. At ang kanilang common side is ito. So si line IL. Okay, so ito ang kanilang common vertex. Si ray IL rather, ang kanilang common side. Okay, so angle GIL and angle LIN are adjacent angles. Magkatabi sila. Meron silang common side at meron silang common vertex na si I. Ang kanilang common side is ray IL. Meron tayong dalawang example dito sa baba. So, i-identify natin kung ang mga angles na ito are adjacent angles ba. So, meron tayo ditong isa, dalawa, tatlong angles. Okay, so si angle 1 at si angle 2, adjacent angle ba siya? Matatawag ba natin na adjacent angles sila? Hindi, kasi si angle 1 is nandito at si angle 2 is nandito. Though nag-share sila ng common vertex, meron silang common vertex, common endpoint, pero hindi sila nag-share ng common side kasi nandito ang side ni angle 1, nandito ang side ni angle 2. Okay? So, hindi natin siya matatawag na adjacent angles. Next naman, angle 3 and 4. Adjacent angles ba ito? Hindi. Bakit? Though nag-share sila ng common side dito, okay, ito yung common side nila, wala silang common vertex. Kasi si angle 3, ang kanyang vertex is nandito. Okay, so ito yung vertex ni angle 3, at si angle 4 naman, ang kanyang vertex is nandito. Okay, so nag-share sila ng common side na nandito, pero hindi sila nag-share ng vertex. So therefore, hindi natin siya matatawag na adjacent angles. Linear pairs are adjacent angles and are supplementary. Again, ano yung adjacent angles? Mag-share sila ng common side at common vertex. And supplementary. Ano yung supplementary? Ang total sa measurement ng kanilang angle is 180 degree. Okay, so yun ang tatandaan nyo kapag linear pairs ang pinag-uusapan natin. So this means that the sum of the measurements of the angles add up to 180. Okay? So, meron silang common side at common vertex at ang total ng angles is 180 degree. Okay, so meron tayong example dito. Meron tayong angle GIL at angle LIN. So, si angle GIL, ang kanyang sukat is 135 degree, while si angle LIN, ang kanyang sukat is 45 degree. So, angle GIL and angle LIN are linear pairs. Since they are adjacent, okay, adjacent sila, kasi meron silang common side, si ray IL, at ang common vertex nila ay si I. Meron silang common side at common vertex, so that is adjacent angles. And the sum of their measurement is 180 degree. Bakit? 135 degree plus 45 degree is 180 degree. Okay? So, matatawag natin itong linear pairs. Solve for x. Okay? So, isolve natin kung ano ang sukat ni x dito. Okay? So, si x, tapos ang kabilang angle is 113 degree. So these are linear pairs is equal to 180 kasi ang linear pairs again is ang sum ng kanyang measurement na angle is 180 degree and meron silang common side dito at merong common vertex dito. So this is these are linear pairs. Okay. So isolve natin ang value ni ang measurement ni angle x. So angle x is equal to ilipat natin si 113 dito sa kabila. So, 180 degree, dahil ililipat natin siya, magiging negative, minus 113 degree. Okay, so angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 113 degree is equal to 67 degree. So, ang measurement ni angle x is 67 degree. Okay? So, kapag i-add mo si 67 at si 113, ang kanyang total is 180 degree. Meron tayong isang example dito. So, meron tayong angle ABC at angle CBD. Okay? So, ang angles na to, ang pair ng angles na to, matatawag ba natin na linear pairs? Meron silang common side na si ray BC at meron silang common vertex na si B. Okay, so matatawag natin silang adjacent. Pero take note na ang total sa kanyang measurement ng angle is not 180 degree kasi 160 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 210 degree. Okay, so hindi siya linear pairs kasi dapat 180 degree. Okay, so kung nandito yung isang ray ng ating angle, so matatawag natin itong linear pairs kasi ang straight line natin that is 180 degree. Okay, so tatandaan nyo na kapag straight line na yung ating mga angles, kahit na nandito pa yung isa or nandito pa yung isa, kapag straight line that is 180 degree and hindi natin siya matatawag na linear pairs kasi nandito na siya sa baba. At ang total niya is 210 degree. Perpendicular lines are two intersecting lines that forms a right angle. Okay, so matatawag natin na perpendicular kapag ang magawa niya is right angle. Gaya nito. Ano yung right angle? 90 degree. Okay, so ang cross mo, that is a perpendicular lines. Okay, so meron kang 90 degree kapag nakagawa ka ng parang bangko dito sa gilid or perfect square. So this is line AB and line CD. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Okay? So, line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Kasi nakagawa sila ng angle na 90 degree. The symbol used to denote perpendicularity is para siyang baliktad na letter T. Okay? So, hence, line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Ganito ang pagkasulat niya. Take note na ang ginagamit natin sa perpendicularity is baliktad na T. Okay, so meron tayong example dito, line L and line M. Okay, so nakagawa tayo ng perfect na bangko dito or perfect square dito sa corner. So therefore, line M is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so kung gagawa pa tayo ng isang line, gagawa tayo ng dalawang line. Okay, so matatawag ba natin ito na perpendicular? Itong dalawang line, for example, line O and line P. Matatawag ba natin itong perpendicular? Hindi. Kasi ang isang line natin is nakatagilid. Okay? So, dapat nandito siya. Ganyan. Para makagawa tayo ng perfect na bangko. Ayan. So, therefore, ang example na to is hindi natin matatawag na perpendicular line kasi hindi tayo makagawa ng 90 degrees sa kanyang corner. Parallel lines are two lines in the same plane that will never meet and are equal distance from each other. Okay, so ito yung dalawang linya sa isang plane na hindi sila mag-meet and equal ang distance nila sa isa't isa. The symbol used to denote that the two lines are parallel is para siyang dalawang eye. Okay, so this, ang pagbasa natin dito is parallel. Okay, so line X and line Y, line X is parallel to line Y. Okay? So, kahit na anong gawin natin dito, i-extend ba natin ito ng i-extend? I-extend natin dito, hindi talaga mag-meet ang kanilang line. At equal ang kanilang distance. So, equal ang kanilang distance both sides. Kahit na anong gawin natin, hindi talaga mag-cross ang kanilang line. Okay, so i-check natin kung naintindihan nyo ba ang ating lesson. Meron tayong mga few questions na inyong sasagutan. So i-post nyo lang siya, tapos i-screenshot at sagutan nyo siya. That's all for today's video, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson for today. See you in our next lesson. Bye!